Okay, this is a 2018 Raptor Ford F-150. We end up adding the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm, and we also did hook up the protection in the tailgate. In case somebody opens up the tailgate, it will fire off the alarm. The way it works is somebody tries to break your window. Fires off the alarm system. And of course, if somebody opens up that tailgate in the back, it will trip the alarm system. Basically, this is all add-on to the factory alarm. No need to get an extra alarm. This thing has everything: remote start, lock and unlock. The only thing is missing really is any type of impact or glass break-in sensor to the vehicle, because the dealer doesn't really install. I mean, the factory, when they make the truck, they really don't add any of those type of sensors. It only works when you open the door, and that's how it triggers, plus the tailgate. This factory add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814. Thank you for watching this video.